Hello and welcome to our video on living room decor ideas. If you are looking for inspiration to refresh your living space, you have come to the right place. In this video, we will be sharing some creative and stylish ideas to help you transform your living room into a cozy and a stylish and inviting space. Let's start with the walls. A fresh coat of paint or a new wallpaper can do wonders for a room. If you want to create a statement, consider an accent wall in a bold color or pattern. This can add depth and interest to your space while also giving you a focal point for your decor. Another great way to add personality to your living room is with art and accessories. You can display your favorite artwork or photographs on the walls or shelves and add decorative objects like vases, candles, or books to create a cohesive and stylish look. Lighting is also an important factor in creating a comfortable and inviting living space. Consider adding different types of lighting, such as table lamps, floor lamps, or pendant lights to create a layered and versatile lighting scheme. Don't forget about the furniture. The right sofa, chairs, and coffee table can really make a difference in the look and feel of your living room. You can mix and match different styles and texture to create a unique and eclectic look, or keep things simple and streamlined for a modern and minimalist vibe. And there you have it, some creative and stylish living room decor ideas to help you transform your space. Whether you prefer bold colors and pattern or a more neutral palette, there's something here for everyone. Thanks for watching and we will see you next time. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for more inspiration home decor ideas and also press the like button.